So hi guys, welcome to the living world, and as you can see, today we will start our discussion about nervous system. It's a very small discussion as you all students are having exams ahead, so I thought why I will not share a revised video with all of you. So first of all we will start about what is nervous system. So according to me, nervous system is the greatest and the most important system in our body. So everyone think heart is the main thing, but remember students, heart is also controlled by various types of nerves. So let's start. The network of nerve cells or fibers which transmits nerve impulses between parts of our body. That network is called nervous system. So this is nothing new for us. We know what is nervous system, okay? This is just a revision video so that you will remember all the things you have studied before, and we are pretty smart now. We will do this through videos. So here is the image. Here I am showing you the brain controlling our body, and see the web. Just look at the web guys. This is starting from our brain and all over the body. There are everywhere there are nerves. So the next thing come in our mind that, so let it go. The next question we are having, how many types of nervous systems are there? So this is a quite tricky questions. In various types of books and various types of sites you will have different answers. But the most popular answer is there are two types of nervous systems in our body. One is central nervous system or CNS, that includes the brain and spinal cord. So the number 2 is peripheral nervous system and or PNS, that consists of all body nerves. So after this we will surely think about what is a nerve or neuron. So guys, listen. A neuron, also called neuron or nerve cell, is a cell that carries electrical impulses from everywhere, like from brain to our body, or maybe it's from our body towards our brain. So neurons are the basic, like functional and structural units of our nervous system. Okay, every neuron is made of a cell body called soma or cyton and dendrites and an axon. So now you see the structure of this nerve or neuron. This picture is showing dendrites, soma, axon terminals. So guys, listen, if you want me to make a separate video on the structure of a neuron, then you must remember to comment down below if I will make a video on neuron or not. Okay, so here it is just a revision video, that is why I am not going to the structural form of the neuron. Here I am just showing you the form. Okay, so here comes the next topic. The next topic we are having is how many types of nerves in our body. So here listen. This is another type of tricky question because in various books, in various sites, the same word. So we are having different answers. But I have collected the most popular answer here, that is admitted by many doctors and scientists. That is, there are three types of nerves in our body. These are motor nerves, sensory nerves and mixed nerves. So you will must think, what are these? So motor nerve, a nerve which carries impulses from brain or spinal cord to other body part is called motor nerve. So think of one example. Okay, here I will show you one of the examples, but I will give you a real life example. Whenever you poke your hand or feet with some pricky things, then your brain is commanding you, put your hands down or keep away from this thing, keep away from the hot thing. So these type of impulses are coming from your brain, and this type of impulses are carried by motor nerves. Here I am showing you something you will like, this picture. See here, the impulses, the following impulses, it is showing how the impulse is being carried by a motor neuron. If now you are asking me about some example, here it is. Example is visceral neurons. Visceral neurons are one type of motor nerves. Okay, so remember this example, it will be more important. So next we are having the sensory nerves. Here we will know what are sensory nerves. The nerve which carries impulses from the body to the CNS, that is central nervous system, is called the sensory nerve. It is also called the afferent nerve. So guys, here I am giving you another example. The example I have given before, that the brain is commanding you to stay away from the hot thing, but how the brain will understand, because you are feeling the hotness with your hands or feet, then the impulse is carried by sensory nerves and it is carried to the brain. Then the brain understands that you are just near some very hot thing, then only the brain can command. So the sensory nerves, when sensory nerves are getting the impulsion from your body parts to the brain, then the brain is sending you command or one type of impulse through motor nerves, so that you will secure yourself or make yourself away from the hot or pricky things. Okay, here I am giving you one example. See what I've said, the just like the example they are showing here, how sensory nerves are acting. Here we will have example of sensory nerves, that is olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve is a good example of sensory nerves. So what we are having next, so we have mixed nerves. So what are mixed nerves? The nerve which acts like both motor and sensory is called the mixed nerve. So guys, here you have to understand it properly. This type of nerves which are called mixed nerves, these nerves are acting like motor nerves sometime, and another time it acts like sensory nerves. That is why this nerve is having both actions, like sometimes it acts like motor nerves and sometimes it acts like sensory nerves. That is why this nerve is called mixed nerve. And we have a good example of mixed nerve is oculomotor nerve. So remember the examples of every nerve so that you will remember and you can answer. If there is a question comes, give an example of mixed nerve, then you will able to write the answer, that is oculomotor nerve. If you want to see the picture, here it is, how oculomotor nerve works. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and this video may help you to get revised the chapter you have studied. So now if you want me to make another separate video on function of nervous system or the structure of neuron, whatever, so you can comment down below that what type of video I should make further, the next video on what topic you want. Please comment down below and like my video and share it to your friends so that they will also revise their studies with my videos. But please remember to subscribe this channel as I am starting these videos, so that it will help all the students around me with my videos. So please subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.